Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. If this was a first time you are crossing my video, I say welcome. Join me. I am still remember the only Maazi-UC. I am inside my kitchen. I love cooking. Believe me, at times I will decide to prepare the dishes I want to eat by myself. But there's something I want to draw your attention with. You can see this. This is the online plantain. It's very good, most especially to our aged parents. You can see it here. But there's something I want to show you. You see this thing now. This is called African nutmeg. Efu. Why this one is Ehu? This one is common in market. But this one is very expensive. You can see it now. See the two of them. Always make use of it anytime you want to dish out your meal. It's very good. If you are having a prostate, you can control it. If you are having problem in urination, maybe you have STI and some of it, this is capable to flush it out of your system. You can as well see our garlic. This is spices, pepper, crayfish, and this is our vegetable. Ugu dey here, potassium dey here, then centilive dey here. I want to use it to prepare this. You know how it's going to be. Please join me. Let us do it now.
We added a little amount of ifu and ehu. We want to roast it on fire. Remember what I told you. This spices is very good in heart and in liver. So you can see it now. We have roasted it. We want to grind it so that the taste will come out. This is our onions we want to use to prepare on live plantain. And you can see us in our mortar. We pounding it. Okay. Remember that all these things have step by step. We are about to do it. We add our water to allow it to boil. So we started adding our ingredient. This is our pepper. We add our pepper, also njapa, and also our crayfish. So we add enough crayfish to it so that the taste will come out. You can see it. We are just allow it to boil very well. We add our onions with our African nutmeg. We added salt to it. You can see it here. Very nice. So we add our online plantain to it. You can see it. So we added our ripe plantain. We turn it. We turn it very well. Then we cover it so that it will start boiling. You can see it here. The next is our palm oil. Manuni. You can see we added our palm oil to it. So you see the art looking. Then we add our vegetable, all our vegetable, both ogo, otas, and scent leaf. Then we cover it to allow it to steam. We cover it. Then for just a minute, you can see it here. Then we decide to turn it. Our food is getting ready. You can see the interface. Oh, very delicious. Very delicious. We start serving it on our plate. This is what they call balanced diet. If you can able to cook this to dish to your husband or to your aged parents, believe me, they are going to love you so much. Let me showcase myself once more. You can see that we are inside the kitchen. We lead by the example. This is Maazi-UC. Yeah. Join me. Let us test it. Wow, very, very nice. You can see. So try to do this to yourself. Can't shop, my brother. Wow, it's okay. You can see the outlook of it. Thank you. I am still remember Maazi-UC. Share it.